Hey, how are you? So I've got the second figure, the second Panzerjäger, nearly finished. So I don't know if you can see, but he's got a photo etch strap on his helmet. He's got a new photo etch belt, which is very nice. And I've put on this is to hold the rockets for the Panzerschreck. So he can be the Panzerschreck rocket holder. And this is the Panzerschreck operator, so he's starting to get his colours on. He's got his grey pants and his green top, so I think I'll start hand painting the rest of him now. He's starting to come along very nicely. As you can see, very nice little figures. These are older ones by Masterbox. So it's this kit here, but I've just used some mini art kits to upgrade it. So I've just got this guy to build now. So this is the middle guy here. So he's bending over. So I've done a lot to sort of upgrade him. His helmet's by mini art and all that. So, and I've used this little detail set here to upgrade the figures. And you can see you can get all these. You've even got a little Luger there, two of them. You got belt buckles, there's spoons, there's a cigarette case, lighter, little watch there, boot heels, goggles, gloves, buttons, combs. That's their belts. All kinds of gun straps up the top, gun straps. You've got, this is the rear, this is for an infantry person, so there's two. They're just your package, your rear sort of packs. Then you've got your entrenching tools. And there's all kinds of stuff. There's stuff that I can't even identify. But I just, with the helmet, I just found some cool little straps. So down there, those two, and just, they worked. They seem to work perfect as helmet straps. It's just really good, and that's, I've just ordered another one of them. So, and the exact same thing, because it's really, really good, and that's by Alliance Model Works. I think it's a Chinese company. I got it from AliExpress. If you type in, let's see, if it has a, barcode or something. Ah, there. If you type that number LW35073 into your AliExpress search engine, this figure set will come up. And I mean, this set here will come up. It's $13 Australian plus about $7 Australian, so it comes to about $20 to get it delivered. So I don't know how much that'll be in American or Euro or pound or whatever. It'll be a lot less than 20, because the Aussie dollar isn't, the highest dollar in the world. But yeah, that's how that is. Very nice. And so the figure sets, the mini art upgrade sets I've used I've used this Panzerschreck one to build his brand new funky Panzerschreck, which is really awesome. And see, that's the thing I put on his back, the rocket holder. And that's all the strapping, and that came out of that kit. So you get all the photo etch strapping in that kit there. And also you get all those boxes, so you can put 2 rockets per box. And I've got some more rockets there. They will go in his backpack once it's painted. I'll put them in after. I'll put in probably 4 of them, maybe 3 of them, something like that. So 2 have been taken out or something like that. And yeah, so he'll be standing here, sort of thing. The other guy will be standing there, and then I'll have another guy standing here. And we'll build a ladder there. I'll have these guys sitting in the trench and then I'll start scratch building some Russian dead bodies that will lie about. And I'm thinking of having a dead body there, a dead body on the tank, and a dead body sitting with these two infantrymen. That's my thoughts so far, but it could change. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I've got to show you the other one. It's because I'll be using this one, the Panzerfaust set, for the next guy. And also I'm going to put some of these Panzerfaust boxes in the trench. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. I'm really enjoying this figure upgrade stuff. Make the old Master Box figures look good. Because they're great, the Master Box figures are great, it's just the accessories in them aren't that great, especially the old ones. Alright, my friends, I'll see you again soon.